Hi and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we've come outside to use our garage door opener and the keypad from the outside doesn't work. So I'm going to show you the easiest thing to do is going to be, of course, just to replace your battery in the unit itself. Alright, so this particular one, the battery is located underneath here. We just need a screwdriver to come in here. Just push on this little lock tab in there. We push in on that lock tab and rotate the screwdriver, and it pulls the cover down like that. All right, next thing you do is you just take your battery, pull it out, just like this. Take the clip off, like that. We'll get rid of that battery. Put the new one in just like this. Clip it in, just this way and this way. Push your battery back in. Make sure your wires are not exposed where they're going to get caught accidentally. Then you take your cover, put your cover back on like this, and push it up, and lock it in position, and that's it. It'll work perfectly now. So let me just do that. There you go. Well, it works perfectly. So don't overlook such a simple problem as replacing the battery. I will tell you this, sometimes when it's cold in the morning and warms up later on in the afternoon, when it's cold in the morning it won't work, but as the sun comes up and the battery warms up, it may start to work again. So usually once a year you'll be replacing the battery. But that's it, this job is done, and on to the next. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.